Good morning, class. Now we'll be discussing reverse distribution plan. Okay, so what is the role of data analytics in the reverse distribution plan? Distribution plan, if you remember chapter number 5, we have already discussed. This is just the reverse means it is related to the return. Okay, so what are the components of the reverse distribution? The first is return authorization process, means there should be a clear and efficient procedure for customer to request the return and obtain the return authorization, including the online portal, customer service hotlines and physical return centers. तो जो return centers है वो proper होने चाहिए, authorized होने चाहिए. Product triggers means sorting returned item based on their condition, value, disposition options such as resale, refurbishment, recycling or disposal. Then disposition decisions means making informed decisions about the final disposition of the returned item, such as which product का condition कैसा है, market demand कैसा है इस product का, and the regulatory requirements. All these should be done. And then transportation routing. So choosing the optimum transportation route for collecting the returned item from all the various locations, consolidating the shipment and routing them to appropriate processing facilities or resale challenges. Okay, so these are the components of the reverse distribution plan. The first we have discussed is the reverse authorization process. Next is the product triggers and disposition decision, the transportation routing. So these should be decided, and however there are challenges, and the challenges is, the first one is variability in return volume, है ना, कि there is always a fluctuation in the return volume due to seasonality, promotion, product recalls. All these may be an issue for the organization. Also the product condition assessment, properly product का condition assess कर पाना, क्योंकि customer जो feedback दे रहा है that might not be very accurate. Okay, तो उस accurately assessing the condition of the returned item and then determining their value for the disposition option is like it requires a skilled resource person, right? Next, coordination with the multiple stakeholders. Now there are the coordinating of the activities among various stakeholders like the customers, suppliers, logistic providers, refurbishment partners. So all these need to be coordinated. So this is also a challenge. Okay, for the organization. So these are the various challenges related to the distribution plan for the organization, and how it can use data analytics in planning these and to meet these challenges. So what they can do is they can analyze the historical data. They can collect the historical data of the company, of the customers, to identify the trend कि कौन सा product है या किस season में ज़्यादा return होता है, किस type के product ज़्यादा return होते हैं, and the root causes of the return, enabling them to make the data driven decisions. Okay, and anticipate the future return volumes, right? Then next is forecasting return. So they can use the predictive analytics. We have already discussed कि predictive analytics use करके वो क्या कर सकते हैं, historical data से data modeling बना करके they can forecast the return volume by product category, the geographic region या customer segment, and then proactively plan for the peak return times. Okay. इसके अलावा ये वो क्या कर सकते हैं, they can use a simultaneous different scenarios. So they can use the simultaneous different scenarios means द मॉडल, सिमुलेशन मॉडल जो हमने स्टडी किया है, जिसमें क्या होता है डिफरेंट डिफरेंट सिनेरियोस क्रिएट कर देखते हैं, एंड देन यू choose based on the impact of different strategies and scenarios such as the return policies, transportation routes. So this can be hit and trial, mix and match करके strategy scenarios बनाते हैं, and then with the help of the simulated tools this can be done, the planning, distribution planning can be done. तो ये सारा तरीका है जिससे कि companies if they apply then they can plan well for the distribution, reverse distribution, right? Here I have taken the real world example of the Indian company Myntra, how it is able to manage when it is सबसे ज़्यादा जो problem fashion industry के लिए होता है, खैर how this Myntra, which is a fashion and lifestyle product which sells this, so how they are able to manage. So they are also doing the same. They are collecting the historical data to understand the trend and pattern of the return behavior and all these. They are forecasting returns using the predictive analytics model. They are using simulating modeling, means they are using the simulation models जो होता है ना उसको use करके they are creating the scenarios and thus they are using the data analytics and this is helping them in cost effectiveness of the distribution plan, reverse logistic. Okay, so this is for the video. I hope you have understood. If not, then comment in the comment box, and if you like the video you can just hit the like button, and also you can hit the this bell icon also if you want the alert notification of the upcoming videos. Okay, because we'll be completing the syllabus and also we'll be discussing the questions and the case studies as well. Okay, so thank you so much. Bye bye.